it's Beyblade unboxing time. Hey guys, it's me Grant, and today I am going to be excuse me. I am going to be unboxing or maybe just reviewing the Volume 5 Grand Ketos Random Booster. So what I got from this is Burn Unicorno SW145JB. Alright, so let's open it up. So as you can see, it's a Beyblade. It's balance type. As you can see, there's Unicorno, Burn Wheel, SW145, and the JB. The JB bottom has a very good characteristic because it has dots that can grip on the ground and can last a little bit longer than usual. Next, it also gives you a free block assembly tool. That's it. So that's it here. They put the stickers here in the SW145. So this is the random booster. That's it. So right now I'm gonna be testing it together with my launcher, which I just upgraded with the new one. Okay, so by the way, the face bolt stickers are here in my passport. All right. Meet Camos from Emirates. Alright guys, so the enemy, let's go choose a bait. Alright, Galaxy Pegasus C, C145, wait, this is dark, Galaxy Pegasus C145 Sharp versus our Beyblade. Alright, balance versus stamina. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oops, that failed. Alright, that's another epic fail. Let's restart it. Oh yeah, by the way, I won the Beyblade. Thank you.